Meditation for beginners and intermediate is the topic of today's Rambling Life Coach radio show. Welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Armand Dupuis, your authority on meditation. And in this show, I'm going to assume that either you know very little about meditation, or you've tried some meditation in the past, but it did not seem to do very much for you, or you are already doing some meditation, and yet you feel that there is still something missing. Now, I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake which people make with meditation, wasting years of your life, and how to achieve your life's goals in the fastest possible way, because there is so much confusion about meditation, which I'm going to do my best to clarify today. So, get rid of all distractions so that you can focus on this very important lesson, which I'm going to share with you over the next few minutes, because it will change your life forever if you pay attention to what it is that I'm trying to tell you. Because my main passion in life for over 6.5 decades has been the human mind and consciousness. And over the years, I've tried different forms of meditation, read hundreds of books on consciousness, taken the seminars, and personally, I've been a life coach since 1972, almost half a century now, coaching people from every walk of life about meditation and consciousness. Business people, homemakers, children, university professors, high school teachers, athletes, musicians, doctors, lawyers, psychologists, and the list goes on. Now, here's the main thing which I hope you'll get out of this show. If you don't get anything else from this show, here it is. The real path to achieving the ultimate as a human being is a path of knowledge, not a path of belief systems. So, with real meditation, for example, you're actually experiencing the results of your meditation in practical ways in your life. For example, maybe your goal is to lose weight. Well, if you lost 20 pounds in the last 30 days, it's not a belief. You know, the scale tells you. If your goal was to make more money, like my real estate students, and within 30 days they were all making from 50 to 75% more income without working any harder, well, that's not a belief. You know, because it says so on your commission check. So what I'm saying is that you want to walk a path of knowledge. In other words, it's the path of knowing, so that you are not chasing illusions, because a path of knowledge proves itself to you every step of the way, so that you don't have to depend on blind faith, hoping that one day you'll get that brass ring, but instead wind up in dead ends, wasting years of your precious life, not to mention money. Whatever that brass ring is for you, everything from getting rid of stress and anxiety, to having a successful online home business, from finding your soulmate to experiencing the infinite which powers you, etc., etc. The goal of this path of knowledge is meditation and taking control of your mind, because that opens the door to your unlimited potential. The trick, however, is how to get there in the fastest possible way. The first step is, don't make the big mistake. Now, before I explain the big one, here's a word of warning. This journey of self-help, this path of personal development, is literally full of landmines, which, if you're not aware of them, will totally sidetrack and distract you from your ultimate journey. This is not my journey, it's your journey, because all I can do for you is to give you the tools and techniques and teach you how to use them, because everything you'll ever need is already within you. When most people decide to learn meditation, it's usually because you want to get on a non-religious spiritual journey of some kind. So you buy a course or join some organization to learn how to meditate. You learn some meditation techniques and begin to practice. But now you run into your first problem. While trying to meditate, your mind is going nuts. You're trying to focus on the meditation techniques, however, all kinds of thoughts keep flowing through your mind. And if you're thinking, you are not meditating. It can take years to learn how to quiet your mind so that you can experience real meditation. But don't worry, I'm going to show you all the shortcuts. The big mistake is that we are putting the cart before the horse, trying to meditate without first taking charge of your mind. And unfortunately, almost every single form of meditation dives right into the meditation techniques and totally ignoring the mind. Some even believe that the mind is a bad thing. Duh! Some of the teachers of different forms of meditation will tell you, make your mind a blank. Well, good luck with that. And how is that working out for you? Maybe after 20 or 30 years of practice. Here's the really good news, however. You're in luck, because I was lucky on my personal journey, which started in 1955. And like most people, I was frantically reading tons of books on consciousness until January of 1972. That's when I first learned how to begin to take charge of my mind, but that's a whole other story. Then in November of the same year, November of 1972, I was given the gift of real meditation. Now, I was the only person in my circle who was practicing both, and that gave me a tremendous insight into my own consciousness. I was lucky because I learned how to take charge of my mind first, and that's what I'd like to share with you. Like I said, I've been a life coach since 1972, coaching people from every walk of life, and now, because of what's going on in the world right now, I've decided to come out of retirement and make executive life coaching available to everyone for a small monthly donation. These are live weekly classes online, so you never have to leave home. Kind of important these days. And where you can ask all of your questions live in real time. Now, here's what you can expect to get from these classes. By combining both your mind and your meditation practice in the right way and in the right order, you will achieve in weeks and months what might otherwise take you years and decades. In other words, I can show you the ultimate path of accelerated personal growth when you combine the heart and mind in the right way. The first step is to learn how to take charge of your subconscious mind and learn how to access different states of consciousness like alpha and theta brainwave levels, for example. That usually happens within the first 30 days or so as you take the weekly classes and practice the simple and fun homework. So, what exactly is that going to do for you? First of all, you're going to begin to de-stress and take charge of your lifestyle the easy way. Listen, how many times have you struggled with willpower to try to make changes in life? Well, that kind of struggle is all over. On this path, you will never have to struggle with willpower if you follow the simple principles. But here's the important part. You will now be in the process, because it is a process. You will now be in the process of manifesting all of your dreams, and I mean it. It does not matter what you want to achieve in life. I don't tell you how to run your life, only give you the tools and techniques so that you can achieve your personal goals. It does not matter what those goals are. It could be easily losing weight permanently, or starting a successful home-based business, or finding a new soulmate, getting the next promotion, winning a talent show, becoming a better athlete, etc., etc., etc. However, the most important and immediate benefit will be eliminating most of the stress and anxiety from your life. I mean, there is so much anxiety and stress in the world today, with illness, unemployment, and businesses closing down for good, jobs never to come back. I believe that knowing these simple secrets of mind, body, and life energy should be a human right, regardless of your present financial situation. It's not that difficult when you understand the simple, universal principles. Now, instead of charging you thousands of dollars for inferior knowledge, like so many others are doing these days, I'm going to give it all to you for a small monthly donation. Anything from $1 per month and up based on two things. Number one, what you can afford. And a lot of people are unemployed these days. I get that. So it's affordable for you also. And what you are personally, actually getting out of it. You see, doing it this way, unless I actually deliver on my promises, I can't make any money whatsoever because there's no contract, so you could change the amount of your donation up or down every single month. And that's your guarantee that these teachings are the real thing. I'm the one taking all the risk here. So here's what to do next. Follow the link below the show, which will take you to a page where you simply pop in your name and email, and you'll have instant access to the free Lesson 1, which is just under 1 hour. If you like what you see and hear, register for the next class, which will be a live class in our online classroom, so you never have to leave home. Kind of important these days. And where you can ask all of your questions in real time. Up to this point, you will not have invested even one single dime of your money. Now, if you like what you hear in the live class, then you can reserve your seat for the next class and begin your real journey. A very accelerated journey of personal growth by giving a small donation to help support our new community of students who are all on an accelerated journey of personal growth and development. Now, in the live show, I'll actually be explaining how we're setting up a new community that you can all communicate with each other and share your success. And we'll be like a mini Twitter, but that's another story. Now, I do function on a first-come, first-served basis. I only plan to personal coach a total of 3 small classes at this price point. And I can promise you the journey of your life. And the pun is intended, so don't miss out. It doesn't matter if you are brand new to meditation, or if you have already tried different techniques and would like to take your journey and accelerate it to a whole new level, because this is the fast track. Now, if you would like more information on meditation, I'll put the link in the text below. And you can go and listen to the show on what is real meditation. It's only about 14 minutes, but it'll really enlighten you on so much phony meditation. Anyway, remember to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and click on the link below to get started. Also, you will certainly want to listen to the whole lesson in order to get a full understanding. And that's what it's all about. It's about understanding and experience. It's not about giving you a new belief system. And you do want to get in before these 3 small classes fill up. So, enjoy. Until next time, stay safe. This is Armand Dupuis, signing off. Au revoir.